How to add funds to your Uber Eats account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can add funds to your Uber Eats account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are here on this page, now click on that bottom right corner option which says account. Again click on the wallets option. As you can see, here is 0.00 on Uber Cash. That means I haven't any funds on my account. Now in order to add funds to Uber Eats account, click on add payment method option. Now here, as you can see, there are different payment methods from which you can add funds to your Uber Eats account. Simply select any one of them and transfer it to your Uber Cash account. And in this very easy and simple way, you can add funds to your Uber Eats account. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.